Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Kids Storage Bench is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of furniture for any household with children, offering a dual purpose of providing comfortable seating while simultaneously solving the perennial problem of toy clutter and misplaced belongings. Imagine a space where your little ones can easily access their favorite books, games, and stuffed animals, all neatly tucked away, transforming a chaotic playroom or bedroom into an organized haven, making cleanup time less of a chore and more of a shared activity. This piece isn't just furniture. It's a strategic tool for fostering independence and tidiness in your children, encouraging them to put things away themselves in a designated, accessible spot. Number 5. SONGMICS MAZIE Collection Folding Storage Ottoman Bench. Setting up this storage ottoman is a breeze, taking just seconds with its simple foldable design. When not in use, it conveniently folds flat for easy storage. Enjoy generous storage with a large capacity, perfect for organizing books, clothes, or blankets. A removable divider helps keep your items neatly sorted. Built to last, this ottoman is incredibly strong and can support up to 660 pounds. It's a reliable solution for both seating and storage needs. Its stylish, tough-to-design and comfortable, high-resilience foam make it a chic addition to any room. The premium fabric ensures lasting comfort and elegance. This versatile piece can be used as a storage box, a footstool, or even a coffee table. It fits perfectly in your living room, bedroom, or entryway. What we like? This ottoman is incredibly easy to set up and can be folded away when not in use. If you need a versatile storage solution that doesn't take up permanent space, this is a great choice. Its generous capacity makes it ideal for decluttering any room. What people say? It looks good, feels sturdy enough, and gives you useful extra storage without taking up too much space. The bench is sturdy enough to sit or rest your feet on, and the padded top feels comfortable and looks clean and modern. It's so stable and durable that we can also use it for additional seating. It was super simple to put together. Very functional, and I believe it will last for a while. Number 4. Melissa and Doug Wooden Toy Chest. Give your children a special place to keep all their toys and stuffed animals. This helps maintain a neat and tidy play area for everyone to enjoy. This wooden toy bin offers generous storage space. It also features a safety hinged lid that opens and closes smoothly, protecting little fingers. Constructed from sturdy wood, this toy box is built to last. It's weight tested for durability and simple to assemble with a screwdriver. Whether you're setting up a playroom, refreshing a nursery, or creating a learning space, this toy chest helps celebrate important moments. For over 35 years, we've inspired kid-powered play with a wide range of toys and furniture. We believe in celebrating the moments that matter. What we like? This toy chest is built from durable wood with a focus on safety for little ones. If you're looking for a sturdy and secure place for your children's toys that will last for years, this is the perfect option. It helps cultivate good habits and keeps play areas tidy. What people say? It holds a lot of toys, way more than I expected. Looks like it should last a few years. Love that the hinge on the lid stays where you put it. Safe for little hands. It's not flimsy particle board, it's actual wood, and it holds up to daily toy explosions from our 4-year-old. The lid has a slow close mechanism that prevents it from slamming shut. Total peace of mind when little fingers are around. It stays open at various angles, too, so you don't have to prop it up manually. It's surprisingly spacious. We fit an entire zoo's worth of stuffed animals, a bunch of Hot Wheels tracks, books, and a soccer ball, and there's still room left. Number 3. YOLOXO Extra Large Collapsible Toy Box Chest. Introducing our extra large toy box, designed to hold all your child's treasures. It's spacious enough for stuffed animals, clothes, books, and countless toys. Crafted with premium linen fabric and thickened cardboard, this toy chest is incredibly sturdy. It can hold up to 40 kilograms, ensuring it won't deform even with heavy use. With reinforced soft handles on the sides, carrying this storage bin is a breeze. It can be easily moved and stored in any corner of your home. Help your children develop good storage habits from a young age. Promptly putting away toys after playtime prevents loss and potential accidents. This multi-purpose bin is perfect for more than just toys. Use it for books, clothes, blankets, or even office supplies, adding a classy touch to any room's decor. We've designed this toy organizer to simplify your life. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a lifetime money-back guarantee for peace of mind. What we like. This is an extra-large toy box designed to hold a significant amount of items. If you have a lot of toys or need a robust storage solution that can be easily moved, this collapsible bin is ideal. Its sturdy construction ensures it can handle heavy use and keep your space organized. What people say. It holds tons of toys and looks great in the room. It's sturdy, easy to assemble, and the material is strong. Great bin that hold a lot of toys and very durable. Easy to use and secure closure of the lid. Having two sides makes it nice to store two different types of toys or organize however you'd like. It has a divider you can install which makes storing easier. It looks great, seems sturdy. Number 2. KidKraft wooden bookcase with reading nook. Crafted from premium, sustainable wood, this piece is built to last. Assembly is straightforward, with clear instructions allowing for setup in about 2 hours or less by one person. 3 comfortable cushions are included, featuring self-adhesive strips to keep them securely in place. This creates a snug and inviting spot for little ones to unwind and enjoy their favorite stories. Designed with children in mind, this furniture fits seamlessly into your home's decor while being perfectly proportioned for kids aged 3 and up. The seating area supports up to 110 pounds. Discover 6 spacious compartments perfect for organizing books, toys, and other treasures. The generous side shelves are ideal for accommodating even tall picture books. This unique wooden item offers incredible versatility, functioning as a bookcase, a storage unit, or a comfortable bench. It's a multifunctional addition to any child's room. What we like. This unique piece combines storage, a bookcase, and a cozy reading nook. If you're looking for a multifunctional furniture item that encourages reading and provides ample storage for a child's room, this is an excellent choice. It's designed with kids in mind and built to last. What people say. It came with all the tools and parts you need to put it together and hold a ton of books. It ended up being very sturdy, which is something I was initially worried about because our daughter loves to climb everything, and this has held up great so far. I love how sturdy and cute the finished bookcase looks. If you're looking for a functional and cozy addition to your kid's room, this is a great pick, and you won't be stuck puzzling over the assembly. The wood seems durable, stronger than some Target Walmart pieces I've purchased. The cushion has a zipper all around so it can be washed. It actually fits more books than I thought it would. Number 1. SONGMICS Foldable Storage Ottoman Bench. Experience chic linen look upholstery with elegant tufting. Its double-layer fabric and high-resilience foam provide lasting comfort for your relaxation. Built with premium MDF panels and reinforced metal guards, it reliably supports up to 660 pounds. This piece is designed to be a long-lasting seating and storage solution. Offering a generous 30-gallon volume, it's perfect for storing blankets, books, or bedding. A removable divider helps keep your items neatly organized. Equipped with 4 legs, it elevates the unit to keep the bottom clean. Non-slip pads on each leg ensure stability and protect your floors. This versatile piece can be used for storage, as a footrest, or even as a coffee table. It's ideal for any room in your home, adapting to various needs. What we like. This storage ottoman offers a stylish and durable solution with the added benefit of elevated legs. If you appreciate elegant design and need a robust piece that also keeps the bottom clean and protects your floors, this is the one. Its sturdy construction makes it suitable for various uses in your home. What people say. Took less than 10 minutes to put together alone, no tools needed, really easy. Feels sturdy. Very sturdy, looks good in any room. The storage is exactly what I was, and specifically the legs is something I wanted. Easy to assemble. Awesome product. Use it in my teen kids' room to hide things in a nice looking way. Sturdy to hold teens as they sit on it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.